So all afternoon I work on this tree right here. It's already rotted. So what I did is about 8 feet from the top, which originally it was about 40 about 40 feet up high. So what I did is about 8 feet from the top, I cut it about maybe a half, and then I tied some rope to pull it down. And so I was thinking it was gonna snap where I cut it, but this tree was so rotted that, look at this. Remember, 40 feet. So that 40 feet from down there, there's maybe about 6-7 feet left. And look at this. This thing's rotted out. And with my luck, I only got real slight damage. Look at this. Right between my fence and my shed. And look at this. There it goes. Here it goes. Look at that. And that's not it. Here's the other piece right here. Uh-oh, what is that? Yeah, that's why. And then, look at that. How far it keeps going. Whoa, whoa, careful. Look at that. There's one. Now, here's the damaged siding. I can fix that. I'd rather have 2 damaged pieces of siding than the whole shed or fence. Or even worse, on the neighbor's property or somebody. And here it continues. That's where the siding is. And then look, there's another piece of way up top. That's probably the piece that I cut. So that, look at that, all the way over there. So I got lucky, because that sucker just landed right in between my fence line and my shed. So let me go back and then give you a bigger, wider view. Look at this. Bam, look at that, boom, right in between. So it came from, let's go back some more. Oh, look at this. So this tree originally was way up there. And look at that. And where it falls, right down, oh, that's my neighbor's makeshift grapevine stand or something. That door's supposed to get full of grapevine. But look at that, with my luck, man, I got lucky. That big tree just went right down the middle. That's why you always put a lot of rope. I got rope everywhere, and I guided it right down the middle. Good that nobody got hurt and no major damage. Thank you.